Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Glowthorn in your garden. So if it is required for you to submit that, it is actually in the seed packs that you get. Hopefully I get it, I'm not sure. It is in the enchanted seed pack. Here, as you can see, I do have to plant it first. Oh, okay, I got it in the first try. That's nice, I'm so happy. So I'm just going to plant it obviously in my garden. So yeah, that's pretty much where you need to find it. It's actually in the seed pack if you're confused, but you don't even need the glimmering mutation from it. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye!